Hi everyone, this is my lesson from the manual and it is called One to Win, a lesson on fractions. So what students will discover are how unlike fractions can total one whole. So the activity will be started with a teacher doing a group discussion, and then it will lead into students at table groups playing it in small groups. The manual says that the materials needed are one set of fraction cubes, which are located right here to your right, and then they need a brown paper bag. I also modified it for the materials to also include a paper and pencil for students to record the fraction cubes that they are pulling from the bag. And to play the game, basically, like I said, teacher is going to demonstrate the game one time for the large group. And what the teacher can also do or have students do is to break down the tiles and place them in the paper bag, which is what I've shown here in the picture. And then as the students play, what they're going to do is they're going to draw one cube at a time. They're going to record what that cube was, and then they're going to place it back in the bag. And then they're going to have another student draw, and they're going to draw a cube, record it, and put it back in the bag. And they're going to go around and keep drawing cubes until they reach one whole cube. So here's a picture that I have put in here just to show this. Students could do this as a tool to understanding what it looks like as one whole, because the one whole fraction cube does not go in the bag because then there would be no object to play in the game. But basically they could have this at their table, and there's so many cubes in the bag that they could actually build the tower as they're playing. It's just a modification that I thought of so that they can get a visual of what it actually looks like. So as they pull the cubes, so the student would say that they started with this small cube right here, 1/12, and then they got 1/8, 1/6, 1/2, 1/10, and all of those equal one whole. So the first person in the group to make one whole is the winner of the game. So here I've also included some thinking questions that were actually in our manual, and they are to be asked as a whole group, or you can have students. You can actually put these on a piece of paper, and students can pick 2 out of the 4 to answer in their table groups, and then go around and answer each question as a whole group discussion and have each group answer one question. So we could do, are there cubes that you would want to draw first? Would they help you get to one faster? So table group 1 could answer that. And then table group 2 could be responsible for asking, are there some cubes you didn't want to draw at all? Why would you not want to draw those cubes? And then the next group would answer, after 3 draws, how far were you from getting one whole? And then the last question is, do you think you have good chances of winning after only 2 draws? And then I've also included right here some pictures of me actually attempting to play the game. So my first draw was 1/6, so I had 1/6 plus 1/8, 1/6 plus 1/8 plus 1/12, and then on and on and on until I made one whole. So that is the activity of One to Win. I thought it was actually a very fun activity, very useful in the classroom. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching.